Hi everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I am back with I guess it's week 3.5 of my daily October journal. And so, because there's 31 days in October, and most of my pictures, or a lot of my pictures, will probably happen during the last day. Actually, tomorrow, there's a lot of things going on. So, I wanted to make sure that I saved room for that. So, my week 3 is going to have a little bit more to it. And so it's getting really chunky. So I'm kind of having to be a little bit delicate in selecting my embellishments because I want to make sure that it'll close. So this is the week 3 insert that I have. And so, like I do for all of my inserts, I talk about what I did each day. So even if I don't have a picture for that, I at least have a little documentation of what happened. So the 15th, that was a day my son had baseball practice and they were in the cages. And then this day, my kids had their ortho appointments. So that actually almost looks like she's wearing like fake teeth or something like that, but these are actual rubber bands, the first day of wearing rubber bands. And my son looking super grumpy. He actually is going to get his braces off next month. So I don't know why he's looking so grumpy because that's actually a good thing. So here is a little a journaling spot just about how my kids have to use these rubber bands, which kind of stink. And this came in some kind of Happy Mail, I think. So use that. And then this is my dog. And even though he is still wearing a bandage, he does not have his splint anymore. So he graduated, it says yay on here. So he graduated from total brokenness to getting around on a bandage. The doctor just didn't want him going from, something to absolutely nothing. She wanted him to have some support. So anyway, he has that. And then the 18th, my daughter's dance team had their Halloween party at a restaurant. And poor Lily, she actually had to go back to class because her class was after, like, right in the middle of this party. So she's kind of upset about that. But I mean, the team mom knew that, so whatever. But anyway, this is something that someone made me. So Brittany won a prize from my channel, and so she sent me a couple of die cuts, that she paper piece, which are super, super cute. I put both of them in this little insert because I just love them. So I put this one here, and then I just did my journaling around it. And then this is the 19th, which is, let's see, what day of that a week is that? Well, it's just Friday. So it was just basically, me and the dog hanging out because the kids are with their father. And then in here, it's a little card that I had made. And it says, Flashy always mopes around when the kids are gone for the weekend. He misses them when he is by himself. So it's just a little journaling about the dog moping around, missing his friends, because I am way less fun than they are, for sure. I just want to come to my craft room and craft. So my son had back-to-back games. So it's 20th and 21. And then here I have some journaling because my son hit, in each game, he hit it in the park home run. So he's turning out to be quite the hitter, and he was super excited about it. And he wanted some glue on here. He wanted to just, because I was with his dad, so he wanted to tell me and to talk to me, and he gave me like this big long hug because he was just so excited about hitting them, and I think he was missing me a little bit too. So I journaled about that because it was kind of an awe moment. He wanted to share that with me. And so this one, I'm kind of struggling to find a place for. I might put it here is what I'm thinking. I'm struggling with what to do with the numbers. So this other, telling you, man, it's been a busy week. So this one, I think I'm going to stick this one right here. Yeah, it's going to work out there. So this is the other paper piecing that Brittany sent me. Super cute. This witch's hat. So I put it here with a picture of my girl. And then the 23rd, this is just Tuesday night. Usually it's just me, Flashy, and Food Network. So that's what that one is. And so that is where I left off for what, I'm considering my third week. So I still have the rest of this to do to finish that off, and then kind of the Halloween stuff. Because starting on Sunday, we did a trunk or treat, and so we've got a lot of Halloween stuff to do tomorrow, even at school. So, because we dress up at school. I actually have to finish making my costume tonight, so I'm telling you, I've been really behind. So anyway, I will finish this hopefully by this weekend, and then I'll just share the complete book from start to finish, even though people probably, don't care as much about it right now. I know that next year, for me personally, I always look up October Daily to get fresh ideas, looking at last year's books that people made. So it really is useful to have those posted. So if you do finish them, make sure you post them to YouTube, because I know I, for one, look at them, even if it's a year later, to get ideas. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Crank the Heart.